This is OnePlus Nord CE5, a budget phone that never settled. Yes, you heard me right. This packs a ton of great specs, like a huge battery, killer processor, great camera, something you should definitely consider. The Nord CE5 has 6.7-inch Fluid AMOLED display with 120Hz of refresh rate.
Bro, did you forget the rituals?
Yes, the classic unboxing. Look at this. This is what everyone likes. Come, let's take a look inside. At first, we have the case, the phone, Type C to C cable, the SIM ejector looks like it's laughing, and 80-watt SuperVOOC charging brick. We have the case. This is pretty decent. Silicon material, blah blah blah. Who cares, right? Let's focus on the device itself. A 6.7-inch Fluid AMOLED 120Hz display out of the box. The colors are really impressive.
But OnePlus had green line issues, right?
Don't worry about that. OnePlus is offering a lifetime display warranty. So yeah, no worries about the green lines. The body is made out of plastic and weighs under 200 grams. 199 to be precise. There's the power button, volume controls, charging port, and a single speaker grill. The CE5 comes with MediaTek Dimensity 8350 Apex, a 4nm processor. The Antutu score is over 1.4 million, which means you can play high-end games at high FPS. I tested BGMI and got minimum 80 FPS on high graphics, no lags. The latest Android 15 wrapped with ColorOS provides a very smooth experience in day-to-day life. So now, the eyes of the phone. We got 50 megapixel Sony Litias 600 main sensor with the OIS inbuilt and 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera. When it comes to the photos, they are sharp and detailed. The colors pop a little more than the natural, but they are pleasing to the eyes. Portrait mode does a great job, edge detection is nice, and background blur feels natural. You can also shoot ultra-wide shots, but you lose some details there. The main camera supports video recording up to 4K at 60 fps, but making it a solid option for vloggers. A huge 7100 mAh battery with 80 watts charging will last a lot more than a day on a single charge. Overall, the phone is a great value for money. Under 25,000 you get a compact phone with a killer processor, clean OnePlus UI, Ultra HD display, great camera and a massive battery. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next one.